Guys, welcome back to my channel.
And that's the central station of Milan, from where I started my walk till the great cathedral. So you will come across the experience I had on the street and city culture throughout the walkthrough between these two landmarks. As Milan is the capital city of Italy, like every other capital, it is chaotic and full of people and tourists all around the world. The transport tram on the streets were quite authentic with the look and minimal with the size that fits well on the busy streets. The city is well organized with the distribution of green space and infrastructure, which gives you a fresh shade of intervals during hot summer. The city is entangled beautifully even at the traffic crossing, which makes it interesting or fun to walk around.
Hi guys, so that's the streets of Milano.
The facade of the buildings are quite simple and in a symmetrical order. The city has to give some interesting element on every corner as you walk along.